Yo, let's talk about Sofia Vergara, the Colombian goddess who lights up our screens. She's not just a pretty face, she's a powerhouse of talent and charisma. You know, the one with the curves that could launch 1,000 ships? Her presence is magnetic, and her confidence is contagious. But have you ever wondered how she stays so fit and fabulous? It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling strong and healthy. Let me tell you, it's not just good genes, people. Sofia puts in the work, and it shows. It's hard work and dedication. She hits the gym regularly, and she's not afraid to break a sweat. And maybe a little bit of magic, but mostly hard work. Her workouts are intense, and she mixes it up to keep things interesting. Being on TV isn't all red carpets and fancy parties. It's a demanding job that requires physical and mental stamina. It takes serious stamina to nail those long hours on set. From early morning call times to late night shoots, it's a grind. You gotta bring the energy, the focus, and the physique. And Sofia does just that, day in and day out. And let me tell you, Sofia Vergara brings it all, every single time. Her commitment to fitness is truly inspiring. This woman is a machine. She pushes herself to the limit, always striving to be her best. She knows that to look her best on camera, she has to feel her best off camera. It's a holistic approach to health and wellness. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into Sofia Vergara's fitness and nutrition secrets. From her favorite workouts to her go-to meals, we've got it all. Get ready to take notes, because this is about to get good. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Sofia Vergara doesn't mess around when it comes to her workouts. She approaches her fitness routine with the same dedication and intensity that she brings to her acting career. She knows consistency is key. It's not just about hitting the gym once in a while, it's about making it a regular part of her life. That's why she aims to break a sweat at least 3 to 4 times a week. Whether it's a solo run in the park or a high-energy group fitness class, she makes sure to keep her body moving. And trust me, these aren't your grandma's workout routines, unless your grandma is a total badass. Sofia's workouts are intense and varied, designed to challenge her body in different ways. We're talking a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. This combination ensures that she gets a well-rounded workout that targets all aspects of fitness. Think of it like a delicious fitness smoothie, blending all the good stuff for a full-body experience. Each component adds its own unique benefits, creating a balanced and effective routine. Cardio is crucial for keeping her heart healthy and her energy levels up. Whether it's running on a treadmill or joining a spin class, cardio helps her stay in top shape. It's like the warm-up act for the main event, strength training. Lifting weights and doing resistance exercises help her build muscle and increase her overall strength, because Sofia knows that strong is the new sexy. Building muscle not only enhances her physique, but also boosts her confidence and overall well-being. And let's not forget about flexibility. Incorporating yoga and stretching into her routine helps her maintain a full range of motion and prevents injuries. Being able to move gracefully? That's a key part of her fitness philosophy. Flexibility exercises like Pilates and yoga contribute to her overall agility and balance. That's just Sofia showing off. Her dedication to fitness is evident in every move she makes, proving that it's truly a marathon, not a sprint. Now, let's talk about Sofia's favorite workout buddies, lunges, squats, and Pilates. These bad boys are her secret weapons for sculpting those famous curves. Lunges? They're like the ultimate leg day challenge, working those quads, glutes, and hamstrings. And squats? Don't even get me started. They're like the Beyoncé of exercises, working multiple muscle groups at once. And then there's Pilates. It's like yoga's sophisticated cousin, focusing on core strength, flexibility, and balance. It's all about slow, controlled movements that leave you feeling long, lean, and ready to conquer the world, or at least a red carpet. Okay, let's talk about food, because we all know Sofia loves her food. Whether she's on set or at home, food is a big part of her life. But here's the thing, she's all about balance. It's not just about eating healthy all the time, but knowing when to indulge and when to hold back. She enjoys indulging in her favorite Colombian dishes now and then because life's too short to say no to arepas. These traditional foods connect her to her roots and bring joy to her life. But for the most part, Sofia sticks to a diet that's rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This kind of diet helps her maintain her energy levels and keeps her looking radiant. Think of it as fuel for her fabulousness. Eating well isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good from the inside out. She's all about nourishing her body from the inside out. Smoothies, salads, and healthy breakfasts are staples in her diet, ensuring she starts her day on the right foot. And you know what she avoids like the plague? Processed foods. These are the culprits that can derail even the best of diets. Those nasty little devils are full of empty calories and artificial ingredients that do nothing for your body. They can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Sofia's all about keeping it real, both on and off screen. Her commitment to a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is evident in her glowing skin, boundless energy, and overall happiness. It's a testament to the power of good nutrition and mindful eating. Section 5. Fruits and veggies, more like vitamins for victory. Sofia knows that fruits and veggies are like the superheroes of the nutrition world. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that keep her skin glowing, her hair shining, and her energy levels soaring. We're talking blueberries for brain power, spinach for strength, and avocados for healthy fats. It's like a rainbow on her plate, and every color brings something special to the table. And you know what else? Fruits and veggies are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep her feeling full and satisfied. So she can say adios to those pesky cravings and hola to a happy, healthy body. Section 6. Lean, Mean Protein Machine. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and Sofia knows that a girl's got to keep her protein levels in check. We're talking lean sources of protein like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. These powerhouses provide her body with the building blocks it needs to stay strong and energized. Think of protein as the construction worker of her diet, always working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. Section 7. Good fats, bad fats, and Sofia's flat abs. Not all fats are created equal, and Sofia knows the difference between the good guys and the bad guys. She steers clear of those unhealthy trans fats and saturated fats that can wreak havoc on your health. Instead, she embraces those heart-healthy unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These good fats help keep her feeling full, support healthy cholesterol levels, and even give her skin that radiant glow. Section 8. Water, water everywhere and not a drop to waste, except maybe after a good workout. Hydration is key, people, and Sofia takes her water intake very seriously. She aims to drink at least 2 liters of water a day to keep her body hydrated and functioning at its best. Water helps flush out toxins, transport nutrients, and regulate body temperature. Plus, it's calorie-free and sugar-free, making it the ultimate guilt-free beverage. So, ditch those sugary drinks and join Sofia in the Hydration Nation. Section 9. Sleep. It's not just for beauty rest, it's for TV stardom too. Sleep is crucial for everyone, but especially for someone with a demanding schedule like Sofia Vergara. She knows that getting enough shut-eye is essential for her physical and mental health. When she's well rested, she's more focused, energized, and ready to tackle whatever challenges come her way. Plus, sleep gives her body a chance to repair and rejuvenate itself, so she can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day, or at least another hilarious scene on Modern Family. Section 10. Sofia's secret weapon, consistency, and maybe a little bit of Colombian coffee. So there you have it, Sofia Vergara's fitness and nutrition secrets revealed. But here's the thing, it's not about crash diets or extreme workout routines, it's about making healthy choices a part of her lifestyle. Sofia's secret weapon is consistency. She sticks to her workout routine, she nourishes her body with healthy foods, and she prioritizes sleep and hydration. And maybe, just maybe, she enjoys a little bit of Colombian coffee to fuel those early morning workouts. Hey, a girl's gotta have her vices, right?